Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit like. Thank you. So we finished round 4 for the last tutorial. Let's start round 5. One double crochet for the stitch, and following will be 1 double crochet for the second stitch, 1 double crochet for the third stitch, and 2 double crochet for the last stitch, which means 2 double crochet for the same stitch. 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, make 1 double crochet for each stitch 3 times, and then last stitch we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1. I'll show you again here. So first stitch we make a 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet for the next stitch, and 1 double crochet for the next stitch, and the last stitch we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1. Follow the pattern and finish the round. So we back in the last stitch, we have 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and join to the top of the first double crochet. We use snip stitch, chain 1, and that's the end of this round. So the blanket I'm using 6mm hook, as I said in the beginning of the video, but it has a big hole in it. So if you like the blanket that has not as much hole, like the one underneath, and then you use 3.5mm hook, and then you will use 1 string of the A-ply yarn. With 3.5mm crochet hook, and the blanket will look like this one. The pattern will be the same. Let's start round 6. The first double crochet, we'll make a single crochet first, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back, and pull over 2 loops. 1 double crochet from the following stitch, and the last stitch we make additional double crochet, which means 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch will make 1 double crochet, and last stitch will make 1 double crochet, chain 1. So 5 stitch from last round become 6 stitch this round. So we make an additional double crochet in the middle stitch. Let me show you again. So 1 double crochet from the first stitch, 1 double crochet from the second stitch, and 2 double crochet from the following stitch, which is in the middle stitch. 1, 2, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then the following stitch will be 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 1. This is the last stitch of the round, so make a double crochet from the last stitch, chain 1, and join to the top of the first double crochet. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, and the round 6 finished. Let's start round 7. 1 double crochet from the stitch, make a single crochet, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, 1 double crochet from the next stitch, 1 double crochet from the following stitch, 1 double crochet from the following stitch, 1 double crochet, and for the last stitch we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1. So we make 5 double crochet in each stitch, and for the last stitch we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and that's the pattern. Follow this pattern and finish round 7. And coming back to the last stitch, which will make additional stitch, so 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, chain 1, and the round 7 finished. Let me use the blanket that I'm already finished to show you the pattern here. Last stitch will make additional double crochet, and then the following round will be additional double crochet will be in the middle stitch, which is 2 double crochet in the middle stitch. The next round will be additional double crochet for the last stitch, and follow that will be an additional double crochet in the middle stitch. So the pattern will be last stitch and then middle stitch, last stitch and middle stitch for an additional double crochet. So last stitch, middle stitch, last stitch, middle stitch. So follow this pattern and you can finish your blanket whatever size you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so happy to have you here to crochet with me. I'll update the rest of the tutorial in the following days. The tutorial will be about how to crochet different leaves from the different flowers. Please subscribe if you like my channel, and see you soon.